What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from the auction. And look at this beauty I have found. Man, what a cool car. 2001 Acura Legend LS. Now, man, when was the last time you saw one of these in any kind of decent condition? This one has 152,000 miles. It's got just a little bit of body damage, not much. Pretty clean overall. Got nice Acura alloys, good BF Goodrich tires. She's clean on the inside, very nice. But like I said, we got a few little exterior boo-boos. Yeah, could probably be PDR'd. Look at that. I bet the power antenna still works. Pretty cool coupe. Look at that. Man, and this thing is low to the ground, buddy. Let's see what's under the hood. I couldn't get my 6'2" ass in here. I mean, it is sitting on the ground. Let's see what we got. Oh, clean as a pin. Look at that under there. I see evidence of what used to be a bad valve cover gasket, but it looks like it's got a brand new one right here on it. See the little blue little tab? Just runs perfect. Man, what a gem. Got all the original VIN tags. Got a little paint fading away, but look how clean this interior is, y'all. I mean, the steering wheel is not trash. Still got a nice leather wrapped wheel. This is a clean car, y'all. Very clean. This if it was a 5-speed, it might bring big bucks. But even with an automatic, it may still bring big bucks. 152,650. Runs nice and cool. See if the AC works. Oh yeah, AC works instantly. Cool. I mean, this is so cool. This feels like a 90s Integra. It's a 2001, and I'm not sure what years these ran through, but I'm gonna go ahead and guess that this is a, what, late 90s design. It sure feels like it. We're gonna take her down the test track. I mean, this thing just is tight. Good firm steering. You know, it's good and weighty. Got a good weight to it. Engine runs great. I mean, great running 4-cylinder. This thing's been well kept. Let's see when the last oil change. Last oil change was done about 1,000 miles ago. Not quite 1,000 miles ago, back in October of 25. So she's been well maintained, which is very obvious. Not smoked in. Look at this. Look how clean this console area is and the armrest. I mean, this is a clean car. Oh, yeah. Not super fast, but peppy. She's very peppy. I like it. Engine runs just like a little sewing machine. Very interested to see what this one brings tomorrow, folks. Very interested. Don't come across many old school Acura Integras. This is definitely a bit of a find out here today. Anyway, tell me what y'all think, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We will see y'all with the next one. Peace.